Welcome to this tutorial. In Gridbox, customers can purchase products without using a shopping cart. After clicking the Add to Cart button, they're taken directly to the checkout page. This approach works well for certain types of products, especially when customers typically purchase a single item. However, for most e-commerce websites, a shopping cart is an essential part of the shopping experience. It allows customers to review their selected products, update quantities, remove items, and continue browsing before completing their purchase. In this video, you'll learn how to add the shopping cart to your website and create a smooth and intuitive shopping experience for your customers. In Gridbox, you can add a shopping cart using the Cart plugin. In most cases, the cart is placed in the website header, so you can open any page in the editor and add the plugin to your header. Let's add a new plugin and select Cart from the plugin list. In the plugin settings, you can specify a label for the cart. Most websites don't display a visible label, but to improve accessibility, it's recommended to enter a descriptive value in the ARIA label field. You can also replace the default cart icon with any custom SVG icon. Simply upload your icon to the icon library and select it in the plugin settings. The subtotal option displays the current cart subtotal next to the icon. I'll leave it disabled for this example. The Hide Empty option hides the cart icon when there are no products in the cart. This can help keep your header cleaner, although many stores prefer to keep the cart visible at all times, so customers always know where to find it. I'll leave the cart visible. One of the most important settings is the Layout option. The Cart plugin supports two layouts, Lightbox and Sidebar. Here's how the cart looks in the Lightbox layout. Now let's switch to the Sidebar layout. Personally, I prefer the Sidebar layout because it allows customers to quickly review their cart without covering the entire page, so I'll keep this option enabled. The Design and Layout tabs include the usual styling options, allowing you to customize the appearance of the cart button to match the rest of your website. Now let's save the page and see it in action. I'll add a product to the cart. As soon as the product is added, the shopping cart opens automatically. The cart displays the selected product image, including the chosen color variation, the product name, and the selected options, such as color and size. Customers can easily change the product quantity or remove the item from the cart with a single click. The shopping cart is one of the most important parts of any e-commerce website. A clean, intuitive cart gives customers confidence before they proceed to checkout and makes the purchasing process feel simple and effortless. In the next lesson, we'll explore the wish list. See you in the next tutorial.